Unlock exclusive skins and dominate the battlefield by turning your Apple gift card into bucks for Fortnite. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Ever wondered how to get those awesome bucks for your Fortnite account using a physical Apple gift card? It's simpler than you think, and I'm here to guide you through every step. Let's get your in-game currency loaded up. First things first, you need to redeem your Apple gift card. Open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. From your account page, tap Redeem Gift Card or Code. You can either scan your card with your device's camera or manually enter the 16-digit code found on the back of your Apple gift card. Once the code is entered, tap Redeem. Your Apple gift card balance will be added to your Apple ID account. Now that your Apple ID has the funds, it's time to head into Fortnite. Make sure Fortnite is installed on your Apple device and launch the game. Once Fortnite is loaded up, navigate to the in-game store where you can purchase bucks. You'll see various buck packs available. Simply select the backpack you wish to buy. When prompted for payment, you'll see an option to use your Apple ID balance. Select this payment method, confirm the purchase. And just like that, your bucks will be added directly to your Fortnite account. You can now use them to grab that new skin, a battle pass, or anything else your heart desires in the game. It's a straightforward process that unlocks a world of customization for your Fortnite experience. So go ahead, redeem that card, and start upgrading your look and gameplay. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more gaming tips. See you on the island.